Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to learn which ending to use for the third person singular present simple statements. So when you have he, she and it, which ending does the verb take? S, es or ies? Watch the video to find out. Present simple. S, es or ies. Listen and repeat. S. She walks her dog every morning. Es. She watches TV every evening. Ies. The baby cries a lot. We use S with most verbs. Walks, talks, plays. We use es with verbs that end in sh, ch and o. Washes, watches, goes. We use ies with verbs that end in consonant plus y. Cry, cries. Carry, carries. Try, tries. I hope this was helpful. Till next time, goodbye!